Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you guys how to change out a few different bulbs on a Dodge Avenger. For the most part, once you get the airbox out the way, all you have to do is remove this. To remove blinker, just turn, boom, pop out your bulb, pop in a new one, go from there. For your headlight itself, it's going to be located back here with the cap on there. You just got to locate the cap. The cap's going to look like this with the back like this. Remove the cap. Reach back off in there. Remove the light bulb. Grab your new one. Pop it in. Pop your new one in. Twist it. And then put your old cap back on. No, it's the old one.